Look at this, Douro Valley. It's hard to beat. They gave me a bunch of port, Barbara, so I'm trying to get back to you. But Barbara, our captain of our ship is Captain Barbara.
Hi everyone, welcome to the Douro Valley. I'm Barbara, this is unbelievable, and we are animadorians. All the best for you.
So beautiful. So how long have you been captaining a boat on this river?
5 years, I'm in my 6th season.
6th season. Wow, you're a very good captain. We haven't hit anything yet. I'm very excited. But what's the name of the boat?
Unbelievable.
And the tour company?
Animadorios, the soul of the Douro.
This-
Anima means the soul. Dorios is the name of the Douro, the river made of gold.
Oh my gosh.
The soul of the river Douro.
We were just saying how beautiful this is. This is hard to find, another place like this on the planet. We go to Napa quite a bit. The vineyards in Napa are incredible and the wines are incredible, but you don't have this beautiful river. This or the beautiful people of Portugal. We fell in love with Portugal on this trip. All right, thank you so much, Barbara. Okay, wishing you great health, abundant happiness, and outrageous love. And there's my love. Speaking of love.
Valley.